In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn silent mode on or off on iPhone. To turn on off or off silent mode on iPhone, it's very simple to do. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to your settings. So let's go to settings on my iPhone. As you can see, we are inside the settings on my iPhone. So what I want you to do from here, I want you to scroll down to where we have sounds and haptics. I want you to tap on sounds and haptics. So once you tap on sounds and haptics, I want you to check the top here. You are going to see haptics. So I want you to tap on that haptics. So once you tap on that haptics, it's going to take you to this page. So on this page, you're going to have a lot of options. So you can either choose the always play or play in silent mode, or don't play in silent mode and never play at all. So it is now your choice to choose whatever you want on this place. So this is how you can actually change, or you can actually turn on or off silent mode on your iPhone. So guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.